Hello friends, we are going to see how Indian markets have performed last week. So today's date is like 30th of January. So 29th January 2021, and yesterday was Friday 29th. So uh, first, we'll look into. I have taken Bloomberg Quint. Into Bloomberg Quint, you'll see markets right here. You have to click markets. In markets, as soon as you click markets, you'll direct it to this page. And first one is like 1 day graph. I've clicked 1 day. Sensex has been sold negative minus 1.26 percentage, and Nifty 50 sold negative recorded negative one minus 1.32 percentage. Nifty Bank, it stays neutral with a zero positive. It has closed a zero plus 0.58 percentage positive. Nifty IT is a major for have sold nearly 2.6 percentage, and let's click on to the weekly chart. So in this, what we no, Nifty 50 has been Nifty 50 no, fell nearly the most when compared to the other sectors. So I'm clicking 1 week. So last 1 week, which are the sectors, which are the indices have performed very well. Sensex uh, lost nearly 5 percentage, and Nifty 50 has lost 5 percentage. Nifty Bank has fallen only 2 percentage. So when compared to Nifty Bank, Nifty 50 has fallen nearly 5 percentage. Nifty IT has fallen like nearly 7 percentage, which 7 percentage, 6.96 percentage. And in the monthly graph, since we are the since it is the start of the new month, February first week. So let's click on to the monthly performance. So monthly performance wise, Sensex dropped 2%, 2.79 percentage. Nifty 50 have dropped negative 2.14 percentage. Nifty Bank have dropped minus 2.42 percentage. Nifty IT have raised one plus 1.53 percentage. So if you are a monthly trader or a monthly investor, the Nifty Bank has dropped nearly 3 percentage. So Nifty 50 has dropped nearly 3%, 2.5 percentage. Sorry, nearly 2 percentage, and Sensex have dropped 2.5 percentage. This is the weekly update for the indices, and we have seen like daily updates and weekly updates and monthly updates. So and we are going to check into the top gainers. So top gainers for the week. Okay, so last week, what are the stocks have performed very well? We are going to look into that, and we have stocks has been assigned. We have got the stocks from Nifty 500. IIFL Finance has been the top performer for last week, and it is the sector. It is a banking sector, and Shriram Transport is an automobile sector. And the last week, the performance of the stock is like 12%, and Solera Active, it nearly like 10 percentage of the stock has been increased 10 percentage. And this is the last 5 days of the last 5 days, how the stock has performed. And I'm going to click monthly graph. In monthly graph, January month, what are the stocks have performed the most from Nifty 50? So that is the condition right here. And we are looking into JK Tires and Industries, which has performed nearly 72 percentage last month, which is January month. And Trident is a company which has performed 50 percentage last month from December close. And Tata LC, which has crossed, which has performed nearly 45 percentage. And if you see Tata Motors last month, it has given a huge profit of 50 percentage, sorry, 43 percentage, which is approximately 50 percentage. And the price increase was like 79 percentage for the month. Okay, so Tata Motors is a highly volatile stock. So if you want to trade or invest on it, okay, so you can able to check into it. So every month it is being, the average volatility of the stock is like 20 percentage minimum. If it is a standard deviation, if you calculate the standard deviation, it goes around like 20, 40, and 50. Sorry, 60. And what is the next stock? So IDFC Bank is the best performer of the last January month. IDFC First Bank has given a bull run of 28.61 percentage rise this month, January, and uh, as you scroll down, if you see any, we're going to check into Nifty 50 stocks. If you find any Nifty 50 stocks, it will be very good. And TVS Motors, it has crossed like 15 percentage this month, which is a huge move for them. And Havells India has performed very good. It's 14.96 percentage monthly January month. Hindustan Zinc, all the metal sector, it has crossed. It has given a bull run of 14.36 percentage. And if you see, okay, so on United Breweries, which is given 13 percentage of a bull run this month, positive. Okay, so L&T Infotech, and it has given a 10 percentage of 10.70 percentage of a bull run this month. Bank of Baroda, Bank of Baroda January month, it has performed nearly 10 percentage of its actual price from December close, and Wipro, the price increase of Wipro for this month is like 8.660 percentage. They have given their quarterly result in January, and after the result, the stock is on consolidation for quite some time, so nearly like 10 days. And what is the next stock? Okay, so okay, Bar the Airtel have given only 6 percentage. It is and the stock has given the quarterly result as well. And TCS has given only 6 percentage, and the stock has given the quarterly result this month. Axis Bank, which is like 5 percentage movement this month, January month. Okay, so we're going to see this is the monthly report, and we're going to check into the top losers. What are the stocks which have sold the most, or people who have shorted the stock the most January month? So first one is Bandhan Bank. As usual, the Bandhan Bank has people have shorted Bandhan Bank, and the Bandhan Bank value and the price have just dropped nearly 25 percentage. Mm. Biocon, it is a pharma sector, and their value, Biocon, the stock has sold nearly 20 percentage last month. The Kotak Mahindra Bank has fell, the banking sector. So Kotak Mahindra Bank has dropped nearly 14 percentage last month. Okay, so IDBI Bank have fallen nearly 12 percentage last month. Yes Bank, as usual, like it is on a downtrend, and it is nearly at the bottom. It has fallen 11 percentage last month. Dr. Reddy's Laboratory have fallen nearly 10 percentage. It is a pharma sector. Okay, ICICI Securities have fallen nearly 10 percentage. And as you see, like January month, lot of major indices have fallen. So highly, most of the stocks will be fallen. So that is the logic here. Reliance Industry, Reliance Industry have fallen 7.34 percentage January month, which is very huge. Normally they will not like fall 7 or 8 percentage. When you trade it in options or in options, it is very difficult for them. Deep out of the money when you take a call option or a put option from when you buy a call option or a put option for Reliance Industry, it is very difficult to deep out of the money. When you buy it on in the money or at the money, it is very good. Okay, after scroll it down, after seeing it, so most of the Nifty 50 stocks, all branded stocks, have fallen the most when compared to on a buy mode. So I personally feel that last month is a very bad month. So every stocks have been fallen the most branded stocks. So FAA started selling, and they sold nearly. Okay, so last 5 days since 22 Jan till 29 Jan, FA started selling lot of stock. So that is the main reason why market have fallen. So FA have lost their hope in maybe like I'm sorry, like they have started booking their profit. So if you see, 22nd January, they slowly started increasing their net sell positions. So yesterday, what they have 29th January, they have sold nearly 6,000 crores of their worth shares from the market. They have unloaded 6,000 crores of shares from the market. So since FA started selling, and for the last 5 days they started So for the next month, February month, I'm my personal view is like, when FA started, when FA slowed down the selling position, and when they started to buy, then the market would go up. So this is the best way to look into the market. So when they so they have sold nearly 6,000 crores of the of the net long position. So they have started selling. So when this selling has been coming down, for example, when they slow down, for example, when they buy shares of, like, 600 crores or 700 crores or 1,000 crores, so that is the best opportunity for us to buy for the next month. So till then, market will be on the sell trend. So we'll check on next week update for that. Since FA started selling, so we are going to check into price decrease and volume decrease. So why we are clicking price decrease and volume decrease, in the sense, since FA started selling, the market would like to go mostly, since if they didn't change their position to long, market will definitely go down. So when you click price decrease and volume decrease, so these are the stocks which has got higher probability of going down when compared to other stocks. So if you see, like, TCS, look at the volume here. uh, IPCA Laboratories, so which has got nearly 142 percentage of volume increase and 2.26 percentage of volume decrease. So please look into this stock, which has got a higher probability of going down, so you can able to build your short position for this stock. And this is my personal view. And Dabur India, which has got huge selling volume and little 2% of price decrease. So this Dabur India has got little, for the next month. Dabur India would like to has got a higher probability of going down. And TCS, look at the volume, 77 percentage, and look at the price decrease, it is like 3%, so it has got higher probability of going down, TCS. And Infosys, 61 percentage of selling volume and 2.287 percentage of price decrease. Bharti Airtel, Bharti Airtel, 80 percentage of price decrease and 3.2 percentage of pricing decrease last month. I'm sorry, it is not now the overall performance. And Tata Steel, 52 percentage of volume increase, and selling volume increase, and 3.65 percentage of price has been decreased. So if you keep an eye on these stocks, if you please check onto your graph and your technical analysis. So I'm just giving my view on this. So I'm just giving my personal view, and I could be wrong too. In this, price increase and volume increase, when you click this tab, which actually means that when prices increase, volume increases, the particular stock has got higher percentage of bull run. The trend will continue. So that is a strategy right here. And price decrease and volume decrease. So price decrease and volume increase, which actually means that the stock, people would the stock has sold so much, and this stock has got higher probability to go down, which actually means that the stock will continue on a sell trend. So the trend will continue towards downtrend, and price increase, volume increase means the trend will continue towards the uptrend. So if you want to be a bull, you can choose stocks from this stock, from this section, from this strategy, from this price increase and volume increase. And if you want to short the stock, if you for intraday or whatever, by intraday or position or weekly or monthly, yeah, you can choose stocks from price decrease and volume decrease. For example, Titan company have sold nearly 2%, and look at the volume. Look at the volume; it is very less. So I think it is not good for selling. And Dabur India, look at Dabur India; it is like 163.14%, and the volume is pretty high. So this and the price is also, like, very reasonable. So this particular stock could go down for the next 10 or 20 days. So Dabur India has got high probability of going down. And Adani Green, look at here. It is like 132 percentage, 132 percentage of price volume increase, and price decrease is 3%. So Adani Green, for the next few days, it is going to be on a sell trend. So this is the best way to identify a stock. So I think this video helped a lot. If you're a stock market trader or an investor or a part-time trader or a part-time investor, please subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment. Thank you.